We all know about the corona coaster. One day you feel fine, the next day you feel depressed. The next day you feel like you have coronavirus. The next day you feel down. The next day you feel high and up. The next day you feel emotional. The next day you feel happy and excited. The next day you feel, oh, I've got coronavirus. L is for lockdown. That's right, people. We are all experiencing a lockdown because of coronavirus. We have to go through this. We have to wear our masks. We have to wash our hands. We have to social distance. All important things. So, today, actually, I'm very muffled. Where is it? So today, I am going to show you how to make a lockdown essential. A foot-operated hand sanitizer with things that you've probably already got lying around your own garage. You'll need 1 piece of wood, big elastic bands, a lid of a jar, PVC pipe, big L brackets, little L bracket, PVC connector, suction cup, cup hook, and a hinge. And finally, your hand sanitizer. In the creases. Take your bigger pipe. We're going to measure 30 centimeters. We're going to drill a hole. We're going to take our literally 3 centimeters, drill in the front and in the back. I've been heating up my glue gun and I'm going to glue on this little L bracket. Put glue on this bottom part and we place it. Our hand sanitizer is going to sit on this little shelfie. Cute! For this other part, pop on your connectors. This is what we want. Take our little suction cuppy. This is going to make a nice grip on the top of the hand sanitizer pump. Moving right along to the bottom, I'm going to take these elastic bands, to thread them in. I'm going to take this cable tie and I'm just going to hook it. Make sure you've got your elastic bands inside there, guys. Just test it out. And we zip it, cut it, there's it. Then we take our other two because we need it to be long, guys. Lockdown has been tough. We all know it. Doing a lot of sorting out, a lot of fixing things and inventing things. And if you know me, I like to make everything. I'm not going to go out and buy one of these fancy things. Everyone was stressing, hey, with the alcohol and that. No, I was stressed because the hardware shops were closed. But when they said hardware is allowed, I was there. I was like a bullet to the hardware shop. Let's create our base plate. We take our bracket. Then we're going to measure with this guy. I'm just taking this out. Put a bit of glue on the base and on the brackets. Make sure it's in the right place. Extra steady. Let's put some here. We're going to place this one here. Oh, I should have been an architect or engineer. So now we're going to take our inner pipe that we prepared earlier. Grab my sanitizer. Rest it on top. There's it. So now I'm going to get my pliers and retrieve my rubber band. Got it. Oh, look at this, guys. I've attached my hinge to the end of my blocky. Now on the other side, I'm going to pop in my cup hook. Just measure out how tight you want it. You may or may not need to tie another little knot inside your elastic. Then hook it on. Let's give it a go. DIY, because anybody can make a DIY to hand sanitizer dispenser thingy. A foot pedal, hands, what do you call these things? I've got it. Suzelle's sanitizer station. Hello. That can go viral, Marianne. TM, trademarked. I mean, you can make it, but phone my lawyers.